Hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Michael Trader and I'm a professional trader in the field of forex and binary options. So my friends, if you want to know how to make millions on this market, let's watch this video. Okay my friends, so today as always I'm trading on one of the best trading platforms ever, Pocket Options, the best choice for the binary options trading. Now I'm setting the candles, I'm choosing the indicators, let it be MACD, zigzag, and let's also add fractal Chau's band. Okay guys, so let's set MACD indicator. I'm doing this right now. Okay, let's save it. Well, so we are ready to proceed further. Let's open the first trade. As you can see, we're in the sell zone according to the MACD indicator. So let's open the first sell position, wasting our $75, and we have already done this. According to the zigzag and according to the MACD, we're in the sell zone, and moreover, we are receiving the pullback reaction from the up trend, shows the fractal Chau's bands channel. By the way, my friends, how are you? How is going your day? Because while I'm waiting for the results, I want to see your comments. I want to see all of you in the comments, my friends, the beginners, the new one, members of my TG channel. Don't stop writing comments to my videos on the YouTube because I'm happy to see all of you here. And guys from the TG channel, I want to see your reactions, whether you like the way I'm trading today. And moreover, please share with you guys, how do you like my TG channel? On what do you spend your cash that you earn here? What are your goals? What you want to buy? What have you already bought with the money you got from the TG channel? So share all of this in the comments. This is right now. And according to the MACD, we're in the buy zone right now. So let's open buy position, investing our $134. We have opened a very nice trade on the breakout point, expecting the breakout, of course. If price breaks through the resistance line zone right now, then we will continue growing significantly, very seriously. So that's why you see, yeah, so we see the reaction, so it looks nice. Price is going to break through. We already have the breakout. And I don't think price is going even to stop. Yep, I'm absolutely right. Just look at this big green candle. The reaction of the market is really nice. Amazing, I would say. So that was a really nice breakout, and our entry point is just really precious. So a very precious entry point because it's just a golden one, I would say, because it's really accurate. Oh, don't drop, just hold for several seconds. Yeah, fine. So this trade is also a profitable one. We have around $277 on the account, and we are ready to continue. Now we're hitting the support line zone. I'm going to open buy position here, I think. So we're staying on the support line zone. Yep. Open buy position right now. So that's it. We have done this. We opened the buy position because the reaction is really nice. To be honest, this is amazing trade. You know that these moments in your life when you just open the chart and you see this trade, you see that yes, I need to open buy or sell position here because it's evident. A really clear situation. So like now, really clear situation, really clear scenario. What should we do? So only buy option is possible. So and we do this, we have already opened this buy option here. Okay, so it's done. We have around $500 on the account. Okay, give your daddy several seconds to check another currency pair that we're going to trade right now. So according to the zigzag, we're in the buy zone, so that's why this is additional confirmation for us that we need to open buy position. By the way, guys, while we are waiting for the result of this trade, don't forget to open the description to this video and subscribe to my private VIP channel, link for which you can find in the description. In this channel, you will find the best trading signals, analytics, and educational materials that will help you to become professional and experienced trader. Moreover, if you write me a private message and tell me, Michael, I want to become VIP, I will automatically add you to my private VIP channel, in which you will get access to the same kind of online trading sessions, and you will be able to start trading and earning together with me online each fucking day. So don't waste your time, do this right now and be with your best trader ever. Okay, guys. While I was talking, this trade was closed with profit, and we have around $877. So let's make more. At least we need to make $1,000 today. Remember, I remember this really well. So let's fucking do this. So I even don't worry about the result, because it will be splendid. I'm sure in this. Okay, guys, so just look at this, $1,600 in the account. What a nice trade we have. So let's continue, my friends. Let's continue. Let's do some more. $1,491. Okay, and let's, I think, open buy position here, because we have already touched the bottom line of the Fractal Chaos Band channel. And I'm sure that we will continue receiving the pullback reaction. And yep, just look at this. I have opened buy position and price immediately started growing. Oh shit, what a nice green candle we have. That's a really nice reaction of the market that we are receiving right now. It looks really amazing, guys. So this will be the best final for today's trading session. Oh, we even don't stop, we grow and grow. This looks really nice, guys. This looks really perfect. Oh my goodness, that's really cool. So if we grow a little bit more, we will hit the upper edge of the current channel, and this will be perfect. Anyway, we're in profits. Anyways, this looks amazing. Oh my god, I really love this trade. It looks so fucking perfect. Oh shit, just look at this. We have around $3,000, guys. Whoa, my goodness. Remember, we started with $85, and I told you at the very beginning that I just want to make at least 1,000, but we did 3,000. Oh, I like such results like this. Okay, guys, if you want to have the same results like me and trade like me, all you need right now to do is just open the description to this video, find the link to my private VIP channel, and subscribe to it. So don't waste your time. This is right now, be the best trader ever, and be with me. I wish you a wonderful, successful, and profitable day. See you all, and bye-bye.